Wagwan KK Squad, it's your girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in this video we have a special guest here. You want your cotton candy? Cotton candy? No, I'm gonna think you're a stripper.
My name is Cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
I work at the Pyramid.
Crunch.
That sounds cheap. My name is Cinnamon. I work at the Pyramid. Come see me on Saturdays and Sunday nights.
Stop it.
You gonna have people go look at it?
This girl work in a nice clean office. Anyways,
like I said, the Pyramid. I start at 11. See you then.
Oh,
11 a.m.
that's early.
What I look like, the breakfast rush?
Anyways, so as you guys see by the title, we're gonna be playing a Would You Rather game. I already played this game in the past, so this is a part 2, but this is the dirty version. So let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, you have to introduce yourself too. Hi. Okay, so I have my friend back here. She will be asking us the questions and we will choose which one we rather, and the person who gets the lowest percentage will have to take a shot.
Do you have the bleeping?
Yes. No, listen, we don't need no. Listen. 2020 almost over and we are not beeping anything.
Hold on.
It's wrong.
What's my name again? Cinnamon. Hi guys, it's Cinnamon. I just want to say I believe in God and God loves me dearly. However, my mouth no giant shirt, so we just gonna see how this goes.
Yes. Period. So we have the syrup white grape. We're gonna be trying.
Diddy sponsor us.
Yeah. Sponsorship rolling here. So we're gonna be taking shots with this, and let's get right into the video.
I'm gonna take shots with you guys.
Yes. We're shot glass here.
I'm ready. I'm sweating like a prostitute already.
Right? Is he on? You sweat like a prostitute?
I know. I'm prostitute, sorry. I'm off the clouds, but you know what?
You work from 11 to
not
what
tonight.
time? No.
Saturdays and Sundays, guys.
Somebody's
gonna find me and she gonna find out.
Right?
I work in the office, guys. So
yes,
good
night.
You know there's actually a place called The Office.
I would never.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, you've been in there? Huh?
Oh yes, that was a hot mess.
I still ain't been in there.
No, don't even go in.
It's open? Now,
Still?
coronavirus? 6 feet apart? No.
Well, not in that way. They're actually doing really good.
Yeah.
What is real?
What? Yeah. You been in there?
Like what is real?
No. Okay, let's get to the game.
Alright. Let's see what's in the first shot.
All right, guys. Ad. It's an ad. It's an ad.
Oh shit.
Look, please, yo, I was about to take off. Well, I'm gonna head out.
Yo, I
You should have started drinking.
But think of the spirit then from
Yo, I'm like, Jesus, I eat this.
sorry, we never mean it.
It was a prank. That's the whole thing. God gonna check me. I was just joking.
It was a prank. It was just a prank.
Friends, would you rather long foreplay or very intense sex?
Long foreplay.
So wait, if you choose that, then I have to choose the other one?
Not necessarily.
Because I would choose that too.
12 would have a drink if we get the run.
Oh yeah, for real. Because that's what I choose.
All right, so I'm gonna choose long foreplay, and both of you guys take shots because 26% says long foreplay.
Alright, there are a bunch of kids.
It's men. It's men.
Oh yes, and a bunch of kids that don't and know nothing.
Very intense sex is 74%.
Damn. Alright, so.
That doesn't sound right.
But when you say intense, is it like how long it lasts? Like
Intense, like I'm about to get electrocuted or something. And I ain't gonna say
you got it. Got it.
You got time. Damn, right?
Oh, wait, my shot.
Wait, which one
Oh
did you
no,
choose?
I was gonna.
She just want to drink. You not
Alright.
You not Alright. Wait, you got a bottle?
Oh yeah, it's over.
You want to drink the
She was
Kavasi?
prepared because she was like, I'm gonna lose the first one. So.
All right.
Whew. Well on.
You're sipping it like it's communion. Okay.
What happened? You can't swallow it?
Ginger variety.
I can't do this.
Y'all think I'm playing? This is about to be done any second.
The whole thing.
I'm back.
Just take sips, please.
Friends. Would you rather be a sex slave for a month, or would you rather wear a chastity belt for a month?
Chastity belt me, please.
I don't know what that is.
Chastity
You can't have
belt?
no sex.
You
for a
have,
month.
like it's locked. Yeah.
Oh,
Like a,
for a month?
yeah.
I can do that.
All right.
For a month? Fine.
So you guys need to take a shot.
What the fuck? Wait, we both pick the same thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you like that too?
Yeah.
So you want
Because it's
Y'all too freaky out of these
Yes.
shit, man.
right? Yeah. Rude. No.
This is not going well at all. We doing
Very
half a shot. We children of God. We can't be doing that.
Right?
What's wrong with a sex slave? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
It
I'm
was
thinking
you.
about 50 Shades of Grey.
You know?
I know. That's all I think about.
I didn't like the movie either.
You heard that? That's all.
Oh no. Would you rather spend the day at an amusement park, or would you rather spend the day at a water park?
Water park.
Amusement park.
All right.
Cancer.
So what?
So me have to drink?
No. Shereen has to drink.
Yeah, because water park turn up. Remember? Oh, you're right.
No,
Yeah.
I'm
No,
definitely
Aquatica.
amusement park. I'll take a shot.
Listen, Aquatica was life for me. I had big fun. That. Listen, check out Aquatica. Not sponsored. Yes, sir. Jesus.
All right, I'm gonna do another clean one. All right. Would you rather boost your intelligence by 5% or boost your charisma by 5%?
Intelligence. Intelligence is very
Yeah,
important.
I'm gonna get the intelligence.
Yeah,
I got
it's
the
very
rest
important.
already.
Yeah.
All right.
I lost.
I swear to God. I
No,
swear.
no, you guys are good. 71%. 71% said that, and 29% said the other.
But why
All right.
chicks do? Right? What were you thinking?
Now I'm going back to the dirty questions.
Of course. You don't feel it, no.
All right.
Are you feeling Mr. Krabs?
Oh.
Yo, she little.
Would you rather kisses while spooning after sex or cigarettes after sex?
Kisses, what?
Or
Cigarettes?
all right.
I swear.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh, okay.
All right.
We don't need to be on that if that's the case.
Next question. Would you rather someone shaves you down under? You know
Like
what
a
I'm saying.
cat?
Doesn't mean, but doesn't it mean down under like
Like the cat?
butt or the? Okay.
The whole thing, maybe?
Maybe like a Brazilian. All right. All right.
That's a wax, I'm not a shave.
Yeah.
What's the next
But
one?
is it a professional? Or would you shave someone down under?
I would shave somebody.
Yeah.
I don't shave somebody with the
Right?
Oh, you gotta take a shot. Yeah, because 49% said shave someone down under. I guess they don't know. They don't want to see it.
This shit.
Ooh.
Shot.
See, if I was giving it.
Shot.
Which one did you choose?
Huh?
Giving it or
Huh?
take?
Oh, I see. You're right.
She was back there just taking shots. She don't even care.
Dang. You're right. Would you rather have a very small penis but last 20 minutes, or would you rather have a huge penis but last 5 minutes?
What that mouth do? I'm a child of God.
Notice
I don't know
how-
what you're talking about.
Listen, we're a child of God, do the things then.
When you're married, don't do it, kids.
Wait, so it's a small penis?
Small,
20 minutes?
I said, no, I didn't say small penis. I said very small. Not a small penis.
But if it's small, you can't feel nothing. What I'm gonna do for 20 minutes? Do I have to pick? Cause neither of them sound.
Yeah, just pick the big penis.
All right, going with the big one.
You want the big one
Penis.
too? All right. 70%, you guys. Okay, I'll go to the queen and give you guys a little break. All right.
Do what you want.
Huh?
Do what you want.
Oh, really? All right. Oh, this is
what I heard you.
Right? Don't go. Doing that is that.
Would you rather use Google Chrome for web browsing, or would you rather use Safari?
Man, just go back to the Nazi.
Right?
I'm in the business.
Google Chrome. No, but it depends on what we're using. Is a desktop or a phone?
You know what?
If it's a desktop,
All right, Bill Gates. What's that name?
No, I am John Jay. Google Chrome.
Google Chrome.
Oh gosh. I bet it's iPhone.
59%.
Okay.
Ooh, thank you, Jesus.
Back to the dirty.
We gotta think smart now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is ridiculous.
We gotta think long and hard before we answer these questions.
Yeah. Yo.
She low key. She never. Oh, me come here.
Super shop. What Mr. said? You think I think I put on joke bring a year?
Would you rather have a small, hard penis, or
Is this really the question?
There's no vagina, only penis.
Plot twist.
or would you rather have a big, flaccid penis?
What am I doing with that? Stuff my shit like you gonna roll it up and stuff it in? That don't make no sense.
It's a roll up.
Exactly.
But can't you make it hard?
Oh.
I have a problem.
Smart. You loyal. All right. If that is an option, then go ahead. Yeah, that one.
No, which one are you choosing?
But you know what? I'm gonna go with the small because I know people not thinking like you. So
Damn, you're right.
Dang.
no, just
Fine, I'm gonna go with the one she said because she had logic behind it. All right, so
No,
what
but
is
I'm
it?
gonna screw you over and then you're gonna look at me sideways.
I'm gonna just take my shot in silence, man.
Alright.
So you said small and hard, and I said
I didn't steer you wrong. And I'll take a shot.
thank you.
All right.
Oh, you thought.
Alright. It's all about penis. Nothing else other than.
You
I got
gotta get
another one.
after.
That's not fair.
What?
Would you rather not eat chocolate anymore? Or would you rather not have sex anymore?
Oh, you
No,
can answer. You answer.
I
this
would
one.
be screwed.
I'm trying to find a loophole.
I mean, too, that's what I'm thinking about.
You know what? You know
That's
what I'm
hard.
going with? Alright, no sex.
Alright.
Cap.
Take the cap off. All right, you said no sex. I'm gonna say
Yeah.
no chocolate.
Cap.
I'd have to give up the chocolate.
I really go for sex a little bit.
80% no eat chocolate, no more chocolate. 20% no. So
Shit, which one did I pick?
you need to take a shot.
Thank you, Jesus.
You know what? I'm just gonna answer what the crowd wants. You eat mine.
So wait, what was the answer? People don't want to have sex?
20% says not have sex anymore, and 80% said not eat chocolate anymore.
Damn, y'all need to get better at sex.
Nope. It says 80% said they would rather eat chocolate.
Right. So
Yeah,
people
so
need
you
to get
guys
better at
won.
sex. Because we should be saying no chocolate and just take the sex. But
No,
because
I
y'all suck at
was
sex.
the one supposed to get the shot.
But what I'm saying is y'all need to be better at sex.
Oh yeah.
So we could choose to
Sex.
do
So I was right.
Yeah, she-
Yeah, you were right.
Wait, I'm confused.
Yeah.
You both were
You were
right.
right.
You gave
You
up
were
the
right.
chocolate. Wait, you gave up the chocolate? No, you gave up the chocolate.
Yeah.
So you were the same answer with me.
No, but you gave up sex.
You give up sex.
So why I took a shot?
Exactly is what I'm saying. You gonna do it again about already. Next.
Alright,
She took my
next one
shot.
I'm not taking no shot.
She took my shot.
No, the next one I'm not taking.
Which one you say? This one?
Yeah.
No, but 80% more said they would give up chocolate.
Are we drunk? Wait, your dad watches this video too, right?
He does. But it's okay. What he gonna say? Oh my gosh.
Next.
They're having sex.
I don't have sex, guys.
You know what that's
We don't
really
have-
telling me I
It's
didn't
just
have
for the
kids?
video.
They don't want you to have sex to have kids. This is what you
How?
show up with the child.
Oh. Would you rather date a stunning, gorgeous person? It doesn't say gorgeous, but I'm just adding my own words. Or Would you rather date the ugliest but most intelligent person?
Stunning.
Listen, but we're doing intelligence.
Where intelligence I go?
Exactly.
Listen,
Not put money in my
Google that
pocket.
shit, okay?
Wait a second. Let's think about this.
No, this.
How did Bill Gates look?
He not that ugly.
But is he considered ugly? You said not that ugly. It doesn't
He's
say.
not ugly, he's just average. Like, I wouldn't look at him twice. He won't look at me once.
But what I'm saying is he's super intelligent. He's not the cutest thing on the block.
Listen.
But he
alright,
got
listen.
millions of dollars.
Listen. Can I interject?
I'm embarrassed to say, I don't know how Bill Gates.
No, for real. No, listen, nothing.
Who names so?
You look like Kermit with glasses on. Listen.
Oh, Jay-Z. Oh, you know what? Let me
Don't even bring Jay-Z. Listen.
Hi, Jason.
I'm going to take the stunning one because the ugly one can get out of pocket real quick.
Exactly. Feel like him step on a high stool.
Okay, you guys are right. 73%.
Trying to set us up. Thanks.
Would you rather have sex in the shower or have sex in a car?
Car.
Oh my goodness. I like shower. I'm sorry.
Damn.
F around and slip and bust my head. I'm not about to do
But
it.
you guys have a shower.
Shower.
Car.
Shower. Okay.
I bet a car.
I forgot the question.
No, we were right. Shot.
What was the question? Would you rather?
have sex in the shower or have sex in the car?
So wait, you guys take a shot?
No, she takes a shot. I said shower.
Oh, you said shower. Oh. You just wash out anything where
I should. But no.
Would you rather never have to clean a bathroom again, or would you rather never have to do dishes again?
Never have to clean a bathroom.
Bathroom.
Dishes.
Really?
I hate dishes. All right, ready?
Bathroom. Whatever.
Dang it, that's me. You guys are right.
Okay.
And then.
But it's okay.
Shit.
Would you?
So you can't play again. She broke it.
Like I just come so and it
First of all, you broke it on purpose because you don't want to take no more shots.
No.
Don't worry, I got backup. All right. Would you rather have sex in a swimming pool or have sex in the ocean?
God damn.
Listen, there's so many microbes in the ocean.
Listen, exact. But swimming pool, it have the chlorine.
What kind of sense?
And then it have mash up my ear. I'm thinking about my hair while doing that. So
Pool. 1 feet.
ocean.
73 pool. So you take a shot.
Yeah, you broke the glass.
My cup's broken, so I don't have to take one.
That's not how this goes. Yo, I have a deep voice.
Step out in a black and.
Oh my god, I forgot about that song.
Right.
So
What is that?
It's drug. What is that?
I'm trying to give you your cup.
But what is that?
No, my liquor.
No, clean that up later.
No, mine for you. Somebody drop out wherever sue you.
Anywhere you meet me, guarantee it's going.
What is wrong with you? You see?
Alright. Let me think. Alright.
Mash up, no.
Yeah.
Nah,
No,
it's
look at
sober.
my eye. My eyelid look heavy.
It's been real, guys.
Yeah.
It's been fun.
Yes. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, make it blue. Thank you guys so much for the support, and comment down below and let me know what you think. What would be your answer for these questions? Anyways, stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.
Cheers. See you later.